Hi, this is Maureen from A Premier Travel. We're here to do a room tour of the Beaches Negril Resort in Jamaica. This is your Concierge Tropical Double View room. This has concierge service, which means you have access to the lounge for reservations in advance for dining, spa treatments, water sports. It also gives you room service from 7 in the morning till about 9 o'clock at night. This room is also, we're in room 127, and this is a connecting room. So if you need it, you could connect two rooms together. This is in the Santa Cruz building. We have two double beds here. And this room comes with your nightstand, your TV, your clicker, your remote control for your air conditioner as well. We have a nice flat screen TV here. And what gets replenished daily is that you have your Bloom Jamaican coffee, tea, as well as a microwave. And then in the mini fridge in Beaches Resorts, they will stock your mini fridge only with soft drinks and bottled water. If you do wish to have alcohol in the room, since it's a family resort, they don't put any alcohol in advance, but you do have a form you can fill out and they will fill alcohol. And this is for any room type. It doesn't just have to be concierge. They just will not put alcohol in here right away. We have plenty of drawer space here. This is a love seat pull-out sleeper as well. So you can accommodate 5 people in this room, 2 adults and 3 children, or 4 adults. With this room, what's nice about the features with Beaches Negril is that they kept the sink area separate from the toilet and shower. So they know that you're traveling with families here. So you could be here in the bathroom in the sink area with you have your Red Lane Spa amenities that are complimentary for your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and moisturizer. You have your sink outside here from the bathroom, and you also have your makeup mirror that lights up and the mirror here with the back lighting. In our closet space, we have extra blankets, we have hair dryer as well as an iron board, and of course your safe that's large enough to fit a laptop. Pillow menu here and bathrobes to use, which is always a nice thing. In the corner there is your umbrella. And then we have our toilet and tub shower. So the tub shower, just in case you have small children, is why they also have the tub shower here. It's not a walk-in shower. This is a tropical view room. So in the Santa Cruz building here, out on our balcony, we have views of the tropics. We have a little bit of an ocean view over top of the trees. Out here on the balcony, we have enough for a table and 2 chairs, as well as a rack to dry your bathing suits for after you come back from the beach or the pool. This is a family-oriented resort. It is an all-inclusive resort in Jamaica. It is one of the best resorts out there for all-inclusives, is your Beaches Resorts. So when you're ready to book this resort, to stay at this property or any of the beaches or Sandals properties, please call the travel experts at A Premier Travel Agency. Thank you.